At long last, the Supreme Court has declared President John Mahama as validly elected president of the nation.
By 6-3, the court dismissed the petitioner's claims of infractions and statutory irregularities in the 2012 presidential election petition.
The scene at the court premises this morning could be described as serene and calm, with heavy security details stationed at vantage points. Journalists from most media houses waited anxiously for some news from the courtroom. The usual sitting time of 10 a.m. was, however, delayed till about 12:52 p.m. When the 9 panel of judges finally took their seat, this was the verdict.
We unanimously dismiss the claims relating to duplicate serial numbers, duplicate polling station codes, and unknown polling stations, as for short. Atuguba, Adinyira, Bafu Boni, Gwedegwe, and Akoto Bamfu JJSC dismissed the claim of overvoting. Atuguba, Adinyira, Bafu Boni, Gwedegwe, and Akoto Bamfu JJSC dismissed the claim relating to absence of signature of presiding officer. Atuguba, Adinyira, Doche, Bafu Boni, Gwedegwe, and Akoto Bamfu dismissed the claim relating to voting without biometric verification. Ansa, Owusu, and Eni Yabua JJSC grant all the 3 claims, that's to say overvoting, absence of presiding officer signature, and voting without biometric verification, and all the votes involved, and order a rerun of the affected areas. Doche JSC grants the claim of overvoting, but has provided a roadmap in his judgment as to the figures of votes to be ascertained and cancelled, and a rerun of the areas affected. Doche JSC upholds the claim relating to absence of presiding officer signatures on the pink sheets, cancels the results concerned, and orders a rerun of the areas affected. Bafu Boni JSC grants the claim of voting without biometric verification, cancels the votes involved, and orders a rerun of the areas affected. In the circumstances, the overall effect is that the first respondent was validly elected, and the petition is therefore dismissed. Our various judgments, for the sake of convenience, are handed over to the registrar of this court.
In less than 15 minutes, judgment was passed. The respondents obviously received the news with great joy. The counsels for the second and third respondents, Mr. Chachuchi Kata, in an interview after the verdict, said the court has vindicated President Mahama and the NDC.
The main message that we would like to state quite clearly is that this decision of the Supreme Court dismisses all the claims of the petitioners. There should be no doubt about that. President John Mahama is the elected president of this country. That is clear, and we hope that that will unambiguously be acknowledged, and we can proceed as a united country to address the developmental challenges that we have.
On the other hand, Mr. Tony Litha commended the media for their coverage.
You have a role to play in this country, and I hope that going forward, you as pressmen will continue to play that role responsibly. But we're happy about the outcome.
Reacting to the verdict, the NPP presidential candidate Nana Akufo-Addo said he was disappointed, but was quick to add that he accepts the decision of the Supreme Court.
Much as we're disappointed and much as I disagree with the verdict, I accept it, and I urge all our supporters to accept the verdict and in peace. The battle is still the Lord's. God bless Ghana.
To the NDC supporters, it was time to celebrate.